Welcome to another video by ZomBean. In this video we will be doing a wonky painted cyborg look for when you are a makeup artist wannabe but are actually a complete failure. So first you want to take your Mehron Paradise paint palette, and start painting tiny circles all over your face. Maybe draw a square on there for no reason too. Then you want to take your NYX Epic Ink Professional liner and start outlining your shapes in an incredibly unprofessional way until you completely ruin your look. Next, use your favorite highlighter to try and fix all your mistakes, not realizing that the biggest mistake of all is yourself. Finally, add a false lash, but only on one side because you're a lazy f***. Take some metallic gloss and add it to your only redeeming quality. Just kidding, you don't have any. Throw on a cheap wig because you are a basic bitch. And voila, your very own crappy cyborg look.